Hello, everyone. You had a good weekend wherever you are in the world, whether it was going to the beach or you went to the park, maybe walk the dog, whatever your hobby is, bicycling, jogging, spending time at the gym. I hope you had a great weekend because we have a busy week with a lot of high impact news coming this week in the foreign exchange market and Forex. There's no news today. All right, no news today. But Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we are chock-a-block. Absolutely full calendar. So be sure and check forexfactory.com for your local time zones of these high impact news items. So what we're looking at now is the 4-hour chart on gold, XAU USD. And you see gold is actually bearish. It's bearish on the 4-hour chart. The bears have control on the 4-hour chart, but on the day chart, it's still bullish. And this is quite normal, actually. Sometimes it takes a few days before we see a clear change in direction on the daily chart, the long-term chart. So as I've mentioned to you last week and yesterday in my weekly analysis video, that because I see the 4-hour chart turning bearish, it looks like we might be in for a change in direction, a reversal after that big move up from gold that we saw over the last couple of weeks. And that's exactly what we're seeing. So in my weekly analysis video, which I make every Sunday, and I shared that with you on yesterday, I hope you were watching that. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure you do that so you'll receive notification every time I make the weekly analysis video. And in yesterday's video, I have a sell limit 2160, 2160, and that is now open. That's exactly where gold is trading, 2159 right now, 2160, and already moved up today. And the pending order is open. The order is now open, and so we're just waiting patiently for gold to start to move down to lower prices and move into profit on this trade. So I hope you saw that signal, that trade setup that I shared with you on the weekly analysis video. The sell limit at 2160, which is now open, and it's bouncing right around that resistance. Now it went up a little bit and started to fall. So if gold should move up, we have resistance at 2195. That's the all-time high. And then below this, we have support at 2144. All right, then we have support at 2114, and then support below that at 2095. So that it would be very prudent to put a take profit around the 2140 zone, around 2140 down here, and you could take some profit from your trade and then have let the profit run, because we are likely to go down to the next support level, which is 2114. All right, so I hope you took advantage of that trade setup that I shared with you yesterday on the weekly analysis video. Be sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so you'll get that every week. And also another trade that I shared with you yesterday on the video on YouTube is Euro US. And I had a sell limit on the Euro US to open at 1.090. You see that has come up today. The pending order, and now that trade has moved into profit. So we have already two good trades from yesterday's video that are now into profit, and it looks like it's going to be a very successful week. But just be patient. All right, if you follow my trades, just be patient. They will open. And just let the market come to you. Don't chase the candles. Okay, don't be greedy. Don't trade big. Don't overtrade. Don't overlot. Just trade small. Manage your account properly. Use a stop loss, and you can be successful trading Forex. All right, just look back at gold before I close off here, and we are still trading at 2160 now. I see that there on the price chart. And I'm just going to go ahead and finish off and sign off here. And I will see you again tomorrow, same time. I wish you all the best with your trading.